It was really fun.
We did basketball, soccer.
We did like scrimmages and stuff.
I scored!
We played board games in the morning. We've had fun at the field sometimes.
They like playing games.
I like ships and sailors. We did laser tag.
It was 2 teams. You like hid behind these really big floaty kind of things. It was really fun.
I went in the pool. I like going to Spray and Splash. I like going down the blue slides.
The new slides at Spray were really fun, and that was one of my first times going on them.
It was so fun, and I want to go there next year.
It was fun, really fun.